ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். 25th day of our Dhanurmasa Utsavam. We are with Goda Devi, Neela Devi, Periyalvar, Kulasekar Alvar, Nammalvar, Thirumalasai Alvar, Peyya Alvar, Pudatta Alvar, Poigai Alvar, Thondaradippudi Alvar, Thiruppani Alvar, Thirumangai Alvar. Along with these great devotees and compassionate mothers, we are now praying and praising Sri Krishna Paramatma. Krishna Paramatma is looking at us, about to inquire what you want, but we are not disclosing what exactly we want. We are recalling the compassion of Paramatma, saying that Bhagavan, Devaki Devi wanted to have you as a son. So also Yasoda Devi wanted to have you as a son to enjoy all the childhood activities. In order to bless both of them, Hoy Paramatma, you have born in the midnight and showed your divine personification with 4 hands to Devaki Devi. But the same night you had to travel all the way to Yasodamma to raise over there, to be raised by Yasoda Devi, to give her all the joy out of raising you and all the joy out of all the great childhood mischievous, miraculous, naughty activities. You have made Yasoda enjoy each and every bit of it. That is what is the compassion, Paramatma, you have. And also, the moment you went to Yasoda, Kamsa came to know and wanted to do something, some harm to you. But what you did, you have created a terrific fear in Kamsa. That fear started like a formed like a big fire in his stomach and in his mind. So with that fire, the fear about you, it became a fire in stomach of Kamsa and killed him. So these are all such a very, very extraordinarily you have performed. Why? You just wanted to help all of us enjoy your divine form as Krishna Paramatma. So this is all you have done only because of the compassion you have, the grace you have, the love and affection you have. That is what we are here to praise your grace. Hey Sriman Narayana, you give us the parai, the what exactly we want. Then we will keep on praising, praying, identifying, recognizing, appreciating all your divine attributes, all your divine qualities, activities. When we are doing this, even Lakshmi Mata is also should feel, wow. She should also feel that something new I am hearing. So usually spouses does not identify, recognize and appreciate. So unless someone picks it up. So Goda Devi is saying that may Lakshmi Devi is not really paying attention to your glory, Bhagavan. Now what we are going to be doing also makes Lakshmi Devi surprised, and she started again, recognizing, wow, my Krishna is such a great one. To that extent we are going to praise. The very, very tiny detail points. Not if someone does not really understands the detailed work that we have done, how we feel, so also Paramatma must be feeling the same way. So Goda Devi, now we are not letting Paramatma feel that. We are making Paramatma happy to the maximum extent that he also should feel you understood me very well. That is how we are we are praising Sri Krishna Paramatma, we are recognizing Krishna Paramatma's grace, compassion, love, affection, care, concern towards us. With this meaning running in our thought, let us sing today's song. ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில், ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர, தரிக்கிலானாகித்தான் தீங்கு நினைந்த, கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து கஞ்சன் வயித்தில் நெருப்பெண்ண நின்ற நெடுமாலே, உன்னை அருத்தித்து வந்தோம் பறை தருதியாகில், திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாம் பாடி, வருத்தமம் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்து ஏலோரெம்பாவாய். ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயண.